Snot, this is amazing!
Yeah! Snot! Doesn't it remind you of the time you and I...
Can you believe that ride, Snot? Oh my God, my stomach was all over the place. The gravity was so strong you couldn't even lift your head. I love this place. So what's next, Snotters? What's on deck?
Well, Steve wanted to take pictures with the butter cow.
You mean have sex with the butter cow? Lame.
Really? Okay. I'm gonna go get a hot dog.
You mean have sex with a hot dog?
Winner!
You want another? I'll win you another.
Please don't. They're becoming less special. Steve went home. I can't believe he left before he took our photo booth pictures. We do it every year. Maybe we should just go.
Go? No, we'll take the pictures. Me and you in a photo booth? Are you kidding me? That is happening.
I take picture on machine taking picture.
Get out. Okay, we get 4 pictures, so we have to do 4 awesome things. Okay, what are 4 awesome things? Oh, wait, I know what to do.
Yeah, so I think I'm gonna go.
What? Don't you want to see how the pictures came out?
Yeah, I'll see them later. Thanks for,